Hey guys! It's me, ang yung makulit na ate Mafe. So, uwian na guys together with my friend, university girls. Hello!
Walking.
Yes. We are walking because we nearby. We nearby.
Very near.
Very
my
near. Yes. Dapat happy lang kahit po pagod. Yan. Smile lang po
home.
yan.
Smile.
Dito nga sa
Always
kabila.
maganda.
Of course. Always maganda
Always
yan.
maganda.
Siyempre, yan, sabi nga nila, stress relief. Yan, TikTok pa more, Reels pa more, guys. Yan. Sige na guys, bye. Tatawid na po kami eh. Ingat po tayong lahat sa pag-uwi po. Katulad namin, haggard pero beautiful pa rin guys. Charot! Charot lang po yun.